guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. So today I am going to be reviewing, swatching, and trying on the new Kylie summer collection. So I was able to get my hands on some of these products when I went to iikonn this past weekend, and they are dope. This is the eyeshadow palette. It is very pretty. This is the box, and then once you take it out of the box, this is the front, and on the back it has the names of the shadows. And if you open it up, it has a very, very beautiful shades that range from glitter shades, shimmer shades, as well as matte shades. These are the swatches of the palette, and they are very, very pigmented. I tried to make sure I just did one swipe per color because I wanted to really show you guys the true color of these for those of you who care about swatches. And I also was able to get the lipstick, which is Tangerine, as well, a matte orange. So to tell you the honest to God truth, I haven't always been crazy about Kylie's collection, and also yeah, my nail broke, so just ignore it throughout this video. You know, it's all good. So I'm sure I forgot to hide it somewhere in this video. No judgment, right? I don't judge you, you don't judge me. Cool. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm not crazy about Kylie's products. I think they're all really cool. They're just cool to me. I did do a review of the weather collection, and I'll put that here. I'll put that here so that you guys can check that out if you want to. But I thought the palette was just cool, but this one I'm feeling. I love the sunset vibes, the sunrise vibes, the bright colors. It's right up my alley. I love it. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, so typically I would do one eye off camera and then do the other eye on camera, but I kind of want to give you guys a true first impression of the pigment and everything without me actually already going through it. So that's what we're gonna do. I do want to play up the orange colors in this palette, the orange and the shimmer colors as well. So that's what we're gonna do. So the first color that I'm gonna put into my crease is like this orange, like burnt orange type of color, but I'm gonna put this into my crease. That is way more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. That's a good thing. That's a really good thing. So I'm just gonna work that into the crease with circular motions. And I'm just gonna build up the color by placing it there and then blending it out. And all I did was set my eye with my Tarte Shape Tape. So, and I used the color Deep, which is not very far off of my skin complexion. So, nuts. Like, it blends really well. All right, Kylie, I like it, I like it. Now, one thing I will say, for those of you who do care, there is a lot of kickback in the pan. It's not a lot of fallout on the face, but there's a lot of kickback in the pan. If you care about that, that ain't good for you. I honestly can't get over how beautifully this color blends. I'm hoping that the whole palette, you know, follows suit and blends the way that it needs to blend, just like that one, because I'm feeling that. I feel like that's the most pigmented, easy to work with orange color that I've ever gotten my hands on. So I'm gonna dip into this brown color just to see if it does anything for deepening the color. If not, I'm gonna go into the purplish color instead. Okay, so it looks like that color is similar in pigment to the orange color, so I'm not gonna use the brown. I'm gonna use the purple color that's right next to that orange color, and I'm gonna work that into my crease. Yeah, see, that shows up. That brown, it was just really like close to this color. Not close to the color, I don't really know how to explain it. It just was similar in how light it was. Yeah, I think that's better. And I'm just stamping the color and then pulling it outwards. And then I'm gonna go back with my first brush that I used for the orange color. Not adding any more product. I just want to blend out the edges of the purplish color that I just added and just make it seamlessly blend into the orange. So I might have spoken a little too soon on the fallout. This one is giving me a little bit of fallout. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but it's giving me a little bit. Nothing too bad, but for those of us who are worried about, you know, doing our face before we do our eyes, it's something to think about, you know. It ain't too much of a big deal though, you know. It ain't the end of the world if you get a little fallout on your cheek. It's not that bad. Everybody just calm down. For my lid, we're definitely gonna do some shimmer. So y'all already know that I gotta go ahead and cut my crease a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape in deep to cut the crease. But I'm not gonna close out the cut crease. I'm just gonna kind of go halfway and then blend it out into the eyeshadow. I wanna do like an ombre. So right in the corners, I'm gonna go into this iridescent type of color. And I'm gonna put that right close to my tear ducts. I'm using a really small brush for this because I do just want it to be right there in the corner and kind of taper it out. I'm gonna go a little bit into the gold color. I'm gonna place that right next to this iridescent type of color. Okay, so it seems we're about halfway through. I'm gonna go ahead into this orange color. And first, let's see what it's talking about without wetting the brush. Let's just see what's popping. Yeah, it's not even acting like a shimmer without wetting the brush. See what happens when I spray the brush. And let's hope that we get a little bit more of a turnout for this color, because I had high hopes, honey. I had high hopes. Better. Now you can see it. You'll see that? And we're good. So I'm just gonna put this color right there next to the gold, and then I'm gonna brush over it just to blend the colors and marry them together. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was not that interested in this palette, but I'm so thankful that I got it now because I like it. Like, I really like the colors. I like how they blend together. I think this is popping. I'm not crazy that much about Kylie and her releases. Ever since I did the weather collection, it was cute, you know, for Baby Stormy, but it wasn't like, you know, popping in my opinion. It's all good. It's all good, but I'm really feeling this one. After that, I'm gonna go into like this Sun Kiss. I'm gonna put that right on the edge and then blend that in with the matte color, Suns Out, Buns Out. I feel like this color really just completes the lid. Very, very pretty. So I'm actually gonna bring that out all the way, and I just had this idea come up to my head. I'm just gonna bring this out a little bit, because I am gonna wing this eye out, but I'm just gonna bring it out. So from there, I'm gonna take my makeup wipe and I'm gonna create kind of a winged look on the edge. See? Make it real sharp. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and line my eye with my pretty Vulgar liner. So I kind of want to wing it out a little bit just to go ahead and follow what I did with the eyeshadow. Then from there, I'm going to put on my mascara. Then I'm going to put on my lashes. And these are Lilly lashes in Minkos. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my face off camera. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I did my foundation, my concealer, set my face, all that good stuff. So for my under eye, I'm going to go back into the orange color. Heat a tan, I'm going to blow out a little bit. And then on top of that, I'm going to go into Suns Out, Buns Out. Yeah, I gotta excuse my mouth being wide open. It like makes the under eye longer so there's no creases. Then from there, I'm gonna go in with my liner and then I'm gonna go into my mascara. I'll go ahead and highlight my face really quick and we're gonna get into this lipstick. So guys, real quick, also in my inner corner, I'm gonna go into the first iridescent color that I use and I'm gonna just place that in my inner corners. And that is super freaking pretty. Oh my God, I am loving that. Y'all excuse my phone, it's my man texting me, you know. I'll get to him in a second. I am going to use her Tangerine color that she came out with this collection. It is a matte orange. I'm a little nervous about it because I don't know how it's going to show up with my complexion, or of course it's going to show up, but I'm a little bit nervous about how it's going to actually look on my complexion. So we about to see. So this is very bright. This is extremely bright. And it's cool, but I feel like I need to do a little bit of doctoring it up. I can see somebody in my complexion rocking this, you know. I'm gonna just take some lip liner, I'm gonna doctor it up a little bit, I'm gonna see what we get, you know. So to neutralize the color, I'm taking my NYX Suede liner, which is in Club Hopper. And then I'm also taking the Kylie Cosmic lipstick, to, you know, dumb down the orange a little bit. Now that, in my opinion, looks really good. I'm loving that. And I'm done. Alright babes, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really like this look. I'm feeling it, okay? I think it's super cute. I am not a stranger to color, but I am a stranger to like orange looks, completely orange looks. And it ain't turned out as bad as I was expecting. So I'm sorry, Kylie, I did kind of have some negative mindsets of how this was gonna go. But it went really, really well, and I am in love with this summer collection. If y'all like this look and y'all like the collection, go ahead and leave me a comment below, let me know. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit subscribe below if you have not yet, because I want to see you guys come back, because it inspires all of these videos. And I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye. Hey babes, welcome back. Orange and the shimmer colors. Eyelid with my Tarte Shape Tape. Oh my God.